Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting polygon, as you can see in this diagram, such that its side lengths are 2, 8, 14, 29, 9, 3, and 7 units respectively. And furthermore, all these angles are 90 degrees each. And now our task is to calculate the area of this given polygon. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. I have drawn this red rectangle that encompasses this our polygon, as you can see over here. And as a result, we got 3 rectangles. This first one is the red big rectangle, the other one is this blue rectangle, and this green rectangle. And furthermore, this blue and green rectangle is not part of this our given polygon. And now let's make an observation. We can see the area of this polygon is equal to the area of this big red rectangle minus the area of this blue rectangle and the area of this green rectangle as well. And now our task is to calculate the area of this bigger red rectangle, the area of the blue rectangle, and finally the area of the green rectangle as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this length is 14 and this tiny length is 2. So therefore this whole big length is going to be 14 plus 2 is going to make 16. And likewise on this side, this length is 7 and this length is 9. 7 plus 9 is going to make 16 as well. And furthermore, this side length for this red rectangle is 29 units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this big red rectangle. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. In our case, our length is 29 and our width is 16. So therefore, the area of this rectangle is going to be 29 times 16. And that is going to be equal to 464. And now let's go ahead and calculate the area of this blue rectangle whose side lengths are 2 and 8. So therefore this blue rectangle area is going to be 8 times 2, that is going to make 16. And finally let's go ahead and calculate the area of this green rectangle whose side lengths are 3 and 7. So therefore the area of this green rectangle is going to become 7 times 3 is going to give us 21. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this given polygon, because we figured out our this big red rectangle area, which is 464. The area of the blue rectangle is 16 and the area of this green rectangle is 21. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So this is going to be 464 minus 16 and minus 21. If we simplify on the right hand side, that is going to give us 427. So thus the area of this given polygon turns out to be 427 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.